What's going on, guys? In today's video I make my first 3D printed spoiler, and I'm about to test fit it on the Mustang to see if 3D printing car parts is feasible and worth doing. So stay tuned and see how that goes. What's going on, guys? Today I'm switching gears a bit. Weather hasn't been great for campouts at the beach recently, so I decided to work on the Mustang for a bit and decided to work on its appearance. Last updates I did on the Mustang was a suspension swap, a tune, and a cold air intake, along with a angle kit as well. So I already beefed it up pretty well mechanically wise. Now I feel I can work on the appearance a bit. It's something I've been wanting to mess around with lately, so I figured it was time to give it a shot, whip up a 3D model, print it, and see if it'll work on a car. Now to show you guys how I'm building my own spoiler, here I am whipping up another design on Blender, which is a 3D modeling software. It is free and open source, anyone can download this, highly recommended, useful in many applications. In this case we're making car parts. Now as you can see, I started with a simple cube and just started stretching it out across the y-axis. Now I'm mirroring it so I can make sure that symmetry is applied on both ends with the design. Again, this is just me showing a quick and rudimentary example. I whipped this design in under 2 minutes, and as you can see, it's somewhat looking like a spoiler. Now, this one came out looking a little too blocky for my taste, so I just gave it another subdivision modifier to give it a more organic look. And now it's looking like a way better spoiler. I could actually see this on a Subaru WRX. What you think? In any case, once the 3D model is ready, the 3D printing process is next, and I just printed a quick 10th scale representation of my spoiler just to make sure I liked it and was okay with it. And once that got the thumbs up, it was time to print the full-scale spoiler. Now this part of the project is what took the longest, as I had to subdivide my spoiler into 10 pieces due to the size of my printer, and each piece roughly took about 10 hours to fully print. So this took me about a week in terms of printing time, and as you can see, I also ran out of one color filament, which is why you'll see the spoiler with a patch of gray. Once bases were done printing, up next was to glue them together to have one solid piece that could be used as a reference to make a mold out of. I then could do a fiberglass spoiler or a carbon fiber spoiler, so comment below what you think will look better on the Mustang. Alright gang, so I just finished gluing the full scale spoiler. Feels solid. Hell yeah, baby. Check it out. Freaking spoiler came to life, man. Straight from the computer, straight from my head onto reality. Hell yeah, baby. Hell yeah, baby. I'm excited. Check it out. Here's the little 10th scale print. And then full scale print. Boom, baby. This took me all week. Each piece was average like 10 hours print job. So I have 8, 9, 10 pieces. I had to slice the model in because I only have one printer. But let's go test fit it on the Mustang. All right, so I already test fitted scaling. We should be good. What's it? Oh, son. That's not bad. We're just winging it and trusting that my reference model was accurate. Let's try that. Let's see how it looks. Finally, that's one. About time. All right. 3M. Let's see that. There you have it, guys. Custom spoiler has been mounted. Oof. 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 Hell yeah, baby. Hell yeah, baby. I'm hella stoked to think I just whipped this up in 3D in like 15 minutes, printed it in a week, and now it's on the Mustang. It's hella dope. Alright guys, so now that I know the full scale 3D print is accurate to scale, next thing would be to make a mold out of this 3D print right here, and then be able to make the actual fiberglass piece or carbon fiber piece. Dude, that's so badass. I still can't get over the fact that I just printed a piece and slapped it on, and alright guys, that does it for this video. Hella stoked for the final spoiler to come out, so stay tuned for the next video for that one. Still not sure if I'm gonna go with a basic fiberglass spoiler or a carbon fiber spoiler. Let me know in the comments below, because then later on I could do a carbon fiber spoiler to match, a carbon fiber hood to match the spoiler. It'd probably look pretty dope. Hell yeah, baby. In any case, stay tuned for the next one, guys.